Hello everyone, this is Jenna. Welcome to my channel. So I'm here for a quick Simple Paper Co unboxing. This is my first Simple Paper Co subscription. I actually only did two. I wanted to get a feel of the subscriptions. So what I did for this time of year, I checked out a couple of subscriptions so I can get like the January kit to see if I would like it. But I believe this is December kit, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the packaging. So, oh yeah, this is definitely December because I was curious about it. The subscription's $40. So, I decided only to try two because I wanted to, like I said, just get a feel. It is very pretty. I think so. I'm not sure if she is AI or not, her images, or if it's her images, but if it's her drawing. So I will have to find out. But if you know, let me know. So this is, excuse me, the December kit. It's very Christmassy theme. So I probably use this in for my memory keeping. So it's this cute little bird, or maybe even a journal. Let me see. That's cute. So you get a little card or dashboard. See if the value is good for $40 from what it looks like it is. Excuse me. Here is the, I guess, the deco sheet. There's one deco sheet. And I find myself kind of getting away, like I want some more simpler deco. That's pretty. And the thing is, you don't know the theme or anything. It's like a surprise. See, there's the number dots. Here is a calendar and a December header. That's so cute. If that's her drawing, that is so pretty. And then here's two more deco sheets. Cute, cute. Oh yeah, I'm definitely using this in my, I'll probably use this on Christmas Eve, Christmas. You get stamps, and then these look like for journaling. Very nice. The colors are pretty, and it's the colors that I'm using this year. You do get a lot of stickers. And here, lots of decor. Yeah, I don't think I like this kit, but it's probably not gonna be a kit that I would use in 2026. Like I said, I'm getting the January kit as well. It's very pretty. I like the seams, they're pretty. I'm kind of getting away from like the decor, like some of this I may save for next year as well. But it is so pretty. I like the stamps. See, that's nice for like a mixed media page. But I'm trying to get creative without spending as much. That's my goal. But I wanted to check it out. I like that. Those are the days of the week. So let's see. So yeah, you get quite a bit. Sorry about my dog. I like these sheets. That's pretty. But oh, that's what I was gonna say. I find myself not wanting to waste money on sticker sheets for my planners. I want to use it more for memory keeping and journal because my planners are gonna eventually get tossed. So I don't want to waste money using like pretty sticker sheets. this would definitely be more of a, for my journaling. Even if not this year, like I can use this. These are the only dated items. So I can always use that this year. And then, actually, I'll definitely use that. Then I will probably use this to document my niece's Christmas, because that would be really cute to have a picture with her in that. These would be nice to decorate like for a journal. And then these like ripped or torn edges. So that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. Hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.